Hi everybody, I'm back again. It's me, Corinna from Lollipops. Great to see you. Hope you're all enjoying yourselves. Okay, I'm not just the only one who's back again. Who else is back again? Let me think. Who did I forget? My friend Nessie! Where is he then? Where is Nessie? Is Nessie over here? Or is Nessie over there? Nessie's over there. Hi Nessie, how are you? Well, hello everybody, I'm fine. But not just big Nessies here today. We've also got, can you see her? We've got little Nessie. Remember? Big Nessie and his friend, little Nessie. Hi little Nessie, hope you're having fun today. Well, everybody, I've got something different for you today. We are going to do a nursery rhyme. And this is something that you can do if mummy's around, or maybe if daddy's around, or if you have a big sister or a big brother, someone who can sit along with you and help you on your way. And maybe they want to learn the rhyme too. Okay, but first of all, did we say hello to each other? Not really, did we? We only said hello to Nessie, but we didn't sing hello to each other. Okay, let's sing our hello song. Are you ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. We sing hello, 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 hello. We sing hello, hello. We sing hello. And now we're going to sing hello to everyone. That's right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We sing hello to everyone, to everyone, to everyone. We sing hello to everyone, to everyone. Maybe we can do something a little different today, shall we? Clap hello? Can you clap? Can you? Okay, then let's get going. 1, 2, 3. We clap hello, 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 hello. We clap hello, hello. We clap hello. Hey, super! Well done, everybody. Okay, are you ready to sharpen your ears? And let's get ready to learn our new nursery rhyme, and it's called 2 Little Dickie Birds. That's right, 2 little Dickie Birds. Okay, now I've got my 2 little Dickie Birds. Well, not all small. This one's quite a big Dickie Bird. And this one's my little Dickie Bird. So, are you ready? I'm going to sing it or say it first, and then we will have a look at the pictures to see how we go. 1, 2, 3. 2 little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Woo! Shall we do it again? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 2 little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter. Oh, fly away, Paul. Oh. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Okay, now let's have a look at our pictures. I'm just going to pop Peter and Paul down here to keep comfortable. Are you comfortable? I'm comfortable. Get comfy, 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 comfy. Okay, let's see. We've got some pictures here. This is wall. This is the wall. And here are our two little Dickie birds. You ready? Two little Dickie birds sitting on the wall. One called Peter. One called Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. And come back, Paul. Okay. Now, if you don't have two little Dickie birds at home, what we can do is we can use, oh, who's this? Who's this? It's Pointer. We can use Pointer. And we can use, oh, this Pointer. Do you have a pointer? Show me your pointer. Hold your pointer up, just like me. Very good. Do you have the other pointer right there? That's right. Very good. And Pointer can be your Dickie bird. Are you ready? Peter and Paul. So we're going to start together again. 1, 2, 3. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One called Peter. One called Paul. Fly away, Peter. Oh. Fly away, Paul. Oh. Where are they? Shall we call them back? Come back, Peter. Oh. Where's Paul? Come back, Paul. Yay! Peter and Paul are back again. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time, and this time I want all the children, and if the mummies and the daddies are sitting around, or the big sisters and the big brothers, I want you all to try and join in together, okay? Make it sound good. You ready? Okay, show me your pointers. There's our pointers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One called Peter. One called Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Okay, everybody, that was very good. Okay, and I hope you had lots of fun doing that, and maybe you can do it later on when you get a little bit bored or you want to show it to somebody. Okay, well, that's all from me just now, and maybe now we can sing our goodbye song. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. We sing goodbye, 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 goodbye. We sing goodbye, goodbye. We sing goodbye. Shall we sing goodbye to Nessie? Shall we? Okay. We sing goodbye to Nessie, to Nessie, to Nessie. We sing goodbye to Nessie. We sing goodbye. And don't forget, roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them just like this. Wave them, wave them, wave them, and blow a little kiss